Okay guys, I've got a 15 Mustang here. The backup camera doesn't work. Wanted to show you what I found. It's thinking about it. Camera is unavailable. Please contact your dealership. Well, we've got a bad ground back here. Someone has already been in here and repaired this. Kind of a crappy job if you ask me, but I don't see a problem down here. What I've found is it's got a bad ground up here. I back probed it, and we'll apply a ground. We'll see if our camera starts working here. There we go. Camera's working. So let me pull this ground on and off here and see if I'm going to pull it off right now. There's the ground off. Ground back on. I wanted to show you on this Lin. The Lin network here is this violet and white. It goes to the body control module. You can see here it's fine, even if I have the ground removed. Put the ground back on. No, I think it's timed out now on me. There it is. Either way, this Lin works and it has power. I've never checked one of these before. So if you have a camera that's not working, and you think it's a camera and the Lin is still working, you could have a bad ground. So check the ground. Well, I've isolated my ground problem somewhere in this harness here. It's not down here. And the splice for the small, I think it's a 22 gauge wire. It splices into the main ground, which is right here. Now what I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna put a jumper wire from the ground in an eyelet and go right to the wire at the camera and not have to mess with this, and then tape this up down here real good. I have some friction tape and we'll call it good. First I'm gonna expose some wiring here. Without cutting the wires. I don't need a bunch of it, I don't think here. A bunch exposed, that is. That should do. And then I'm going to do something I almost never do. I'm going to use a Scotch lock. Now this is not a customer's car. This is a trade-in. So this is a used car. So this is what you get when you buy used cars. You get people like me making repairs like this. But it'll still be a good repair. Be better than what they did down here already. And if someone wants to repair it right down the road, to get this, if you want to replace this harness, it's attached to the main harness. You have to replace the whole thing. Okay, it's the black wire here. We will slide this Scotch lock over. We put the other wire in one side. And slip the other end over the wire. Make sure they line up. They do. And then press in on this metal tab. Smash that in the wires. Clip the retainer over. Plug it in. And this will all be covered up with this shield down here. This shield. We'll go over that. And then we'll route this up to this ground, put an eyelet on it. We'll leave a little slack here. It goes something like, something like that. Strip some end here. Take my eyelet off my ground. I've already put the eyelet on just to check fit. Here's the original ground eyelet. Here's my eyelet. We'll crimp this ground wire in there. Like that. Go ahead and tighten these eyelets up. I like this baby ratchet. I use this a lot. That way you don't apply too much torque to certain things. Okay, let's check it out and see if it works. watch it not work from not getting that scotch lock in there all the way. It works. All right. Uh-oh. Someone's back there. I think someone's looting my camera. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the repair. Tape this harness with some of this friction tape. They've got a repair here and it's way too much wiring and it's all kind of crushed in on itself. I'm not gonna redo it. I'm just gonna, it works, so it's definitely not a repair I would have done. I usually do repairs that you never know anyone's been in there. Okay, we'll start up here. You can get this friction tape, it's 3M. You can get it from Home Depot or Lowe's. Makes it kind of look like the factory. Looks pretty decent, other than this bulge here. It looks like a snake that ate a goat down here. I'm gonna double check it one last time to make sure camera works before I put the cover on. It still works. Get all these push clips put back in. And these rubber bump stops. And this plastic cover over the latch. Guess there's no, not sure where that went. I think it just kind of hangs out there. Oh, there we go. Goes like that. And this glows. That way when you accidentally lock your child in the trunk here, they can find that, pull it, and get themselves out before they die. There you have it. It's a solid repair. And a Scotch lock saves the day.